Hello everyone, this is my first video using my own voice. So I am a bit nervous. Anyhow, please forgive me if my English is not perfect. Today we are going to learn what digital photo masks are and how to use them to create beautiful scrapbook layouts. So let's get started. So what is a digital photo mask. A digital photo mask is a black and white design, usually in a PNG file format, used to creatively blend or shape a photo in digital scrapbooking. This gives your photo soft edges, artistic textures, or unique shapes. So I am using my vintage violet charm collection along with the coordinating photo mask. You can find the download link in the description box. So now please watch the full video to see how I created a beautiful layout using the photo masks and a lovely background page. I hope it inspires you to try it too. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video and learned something new. See you in the next one. Bye.